The case of Joshlin Smith. What happened to her? The case of Joshlin Smith, a 6-year-old girl from Saldanha Bay, South Africa, has captured national attention due to the tragic circumstances surrounding her disappearance and the subsequent legal proceedings. Disappearance and investigation. On February 19, 2024, Joshlin was reported missing from her home in the Mid-Delpos area of Diazville. Her mother, Raquel Kelly Smith, initially claimed that Joshlin had fallen ill and was left in the care of her boyfriend, Jackin Boeda Apollos. However, CCTV footage later contradicted Kelly's alibi, showing no evidence of her presence at a location where she claimed to have been working on the day of Joshlin's disappearance. Legal proceedings. In March 2025, Kelly Smith, Apollos, and Stevino van Rhyn were charged with kidnapping and human trafficking. The prosecution alleges that Kelly Smith orchestrated the abduction of her daughter in exchange for payment, with plans to sell Joshlin and her 2 other children since August 2023. Witnesses reported seeing Kelly and Joshlin entering a white vehicle on the day she went missing. Laurentia Lombard, initially arrested in connection with the case, had charges withdrawn due to lack of evidence. She is now expected to testify as a state witness in the trial. Community impact. The disappearance has profoundly affected the Saldanha Bay community. Residents held vigils and released white balloons to commemorate the anniversary of Joshlin's disappearance. Despite the passage of time, the community continues to seek justice and answers regarding her fate. Ongoing search. As of May 2025, Joshlin remains missing. Authorities continue to investigate the circumstances of her disappearance, and the legal proceedings against the accused individuals are ongoing. The case has drawn significant media attention and public outcry, highlighting issues of child trafficking and the importance of community vigilance. Here is a detailed timeline of the Joshlin Smith case, outlining key events from her disappearance to the ongoing legal proceedings. Calendar 2024, Disappearance and Investigation. February 19, 2024. 6-year-old Joshlin Smith vanishes from her home in Mid-Delpos, Saldanha Bay. Her mother, Kelly Smith, claims she left Joshlin with her boyfriend, Jackin Apollos, while she attended a domestic job. February 20th, 2024. A large-scale search operation is launched, involving police K-9 units, NGOs, volunteers, helicopters, and rescue boats. February 27, 2024. Apollos states he last saw Joshlin playing with friends outside and has no knowledge of her disappearance. March 2, 2024. Clothing items allegedly stained with blood are discovered in an open field in Diazville. Authorities investigate reports that Joshlin may have been taken on a vessel bound for international waters. March 5, 2024. Kelly Smith, Apollos, Stevino van Rhyn, and Laurentia Lombard are arrested on charges of kidnapping and human trafficking. March 18, 2024. Lombard is reported to have confessed to the disappearance of Joshlin. July 2024. The case is postponed to September following a brief court appearance. September 16, 2024. The case is postponed again to October 21, 2024 as new evidence emerges. October 21, 2024. Lombard's charges are withdrawn, and she is expected to testify as a state witness. The case is transferred to the Western Cape High Court for pretrial proceedings. 2025. Legal proceedings and ongoing search. January 31, 2025. A pretrial hearing is postponed to February 28 due to logistical issues causing the absence of 2 accused individuals. Judge Gaetsale de Silva considers holding the trial in Saldanha to facilitate public attendance. February 19, 2025. The first anniversary of Joshlin's disappearance passes without new developments. Authorities continue their investigation and search efforts. March 3, 2025. Kelly Smith, Apollos, and Van Rhyn go on trial in the Western Cape High Court. The prosecution alleges that Smith planned to sell Joshlin and her 2 other children since August 2023. Witnesses report seeing Smith and Joshlin entering a white vehicle on the day of the disappearance. March 28, 2025. The trial is scheduled to conclude, with the possibility of life imprisonment for the accused if convicted. As of May 2025, Joshlin remains missing, and the community continues to seek justice and answers regarding her fate. On May 2nd, 2025, the judge will hand down the sentence.